In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DuckDuckGo not working. If your search page won't load, results keep spinning, or the browser feels stuck, follow along and we'll walk through a quick cleanup and restart. That resolves most glitches without getting overly technical. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Make sure you're actually in DuckDuckGo and not another app or a web view inside a different application. Give the app a moment to load fully so the menus appear. If you're on desktop, wait for the toolbar to finish rendering before moving on. Now, look to the top right of the browser window for the three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Click or tap that to open your browser options. This is where the privacy and data controls live, and it's the fastest way to clear out the temporary files that can cause pages to misbehave. Next, choose Delete Browsing Data. This action clears cached files, cookies, and related site data that build up over time. Corrupted or outdated cache is a common reason a site won't load correctly, so removing it forces the browser to fetch fresh content. Keep in mind, clearing this data may sign you out of websites and reset site preferences, which is normal and helps ensure a clean start. When you see the option to proceed, click Clear. After clearing, refresh the page so the browser requests everything anew. On Windows and many keyboards, you can press F5 to refresh. If you're on a Mac, Command+R does the same thing. Give it a second or two after the refresh so the page can rebuild with fresh resources. If it still feels unresponsive, close the DuckDuckGo browser completely and then open it again. On mobile, that means fully swiping it away from your recent apps so it isn't running in the background. On desktop, quit the application and relaunch it. A clean restart resets any stuck processes and reloads extensions and settings cleanly. Finally, check your internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is actually connected and stable. If needed, toggle Wi-Fi off and back on, or briefly switch airplane mode on and off to reset the network adapter. Try loading another site to confirm your connection is working. If other sites load, return to DuckDuckGo and try again. After completing these steps, opening DuckDuckGo, using the menu to delete browsing data, clearing and refreshing, restarting the app, and confirming your connection, DuckDuckGo should be back to normal. If it is, great job. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.